Meanwhile, the Senate adopted a concurrent resolution which aims for a more transparent budget process. No senators objected the motion to approve the Senate concurrent resolution number 4. The goal of the resolution is to make it for public consumption even the bicameral conference committee meetings. Meanwhile, the Senate also received a copy of the proposed 2026 proposed national budget. Budget Secretary Amendah Pangandaman led the turnover ceremony, and it was received by senators led by Senate President Francis Escudero.
Hindi ko papayagan na magkaroon ng pagsisingit, especially at sa BICAM. Yung BICAM will be limited to disagreeing provisions, including Chacha, dahil hindi naman napag-usapan yan. So, hindi natin napag-usapan in any hearing or in any fora. So, basta as a principle, regardless kahit anong budget yan, whether Chacha, People's Initiative, AKAP, as long as walang detailed plan at it wasn't a proposed plan from the executive, hindi natin pwedeng payagan na bigla nilang siya mapapasok sa BICAM.